Yes, but there again, my people. Big up, respect, and manners to each and everyone. Alright, so first up, my people, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened at where a motor vehicle that some people call Hearse went into bushes. Now, in the video, a person said some words that also includes the word funeral. See? Now, my people, let's take a look at the video and see if we can get an understanding of the situation, alright? Observe.
Look what going. Parish, no one go for the church. Hearse run away down in a blood pit. Tusk open, and nobody in the church Hearse. How are this?
The soul was just like
something wrong. And you know lick up me or nothing? Okay, babes. My God Almighty. The Hearse the way down a bush down so.
the soul was just
Something wrong. Nobody in the Hearse then out, and that's the way they drive going the same way. Them in the Hearse park up at church again.
why did they need to go find you guys? They should have stayed in Washington. Enjoy it.
God.
And he leave it straight.
Problem.
Straight on the earth to turn out.
God. Uproar. This a drama, more drama this a one. I never see this. He broke down 3 times before he reached, and then he reached and decided to go down a gully. He look like personal like Emmanuel drive yours. Oh my God. Look there. No sir.
How would you fuck busy with you?
It a come back up, man. A 4-wheel drive the earth, you're supposed to can come back up easy. Oh God. Right, lick down this here. Lick down all the open. I hope you rest in a peace to fart.
Parish in the driving.
Huh? I must see my driving car. I'm not going to do it. I'm going to funeral. Come. Come, do you want to look on the body? Paris gear shall drive good on a bush.
Listen to drive.
Oh God Almighty, this is a drama. Hey! Serious man, want the earth to come up here? Huh? Hi church. You think so? You know feel pleased though? You know pleased about something?
Now, when it comes down to a situation like that, number of people, you have some people who are assume different assumptions might make and even allegations too. But let me play back just a few pieces of the video and see if we can get an understanding as to what thoughts might have been thought about the situation. So listen to part of the video. So listen.
Parish, no one go for the church. Hearse run away down in a blood pit. Tusk open, and nobody in the church Hearse.
Can be that wonder if somebody there in the motor vehicle, you know what I mean, like body or, you see me? You could have heard the word Hearse in the video. Listen to the part again now. See? Listen to this part.
He broke down 3 times before he reached, and then he reached and decided to go down a gully. He look like personal like Emmanuel drive yours. Oh my God.
Sound like a clue as to what at least one person I think. Here's another part now, my people. Just another part. Me just point out these words that have been said in the video. Please bear in mind that these words, in my point of view, are considered as assumptions and allegations. So listen to this part now.
Them in the Hearse park up at church again.
Why did they need to go find you guys? They should have stayed in Washington.
You understand, my people? So them words of me here have me I think. Yes, I say, but in my point of view, me I wonder if maybe the motor vehicle was being operated properly, or if there was some mechanical fault. Because coincidence do happen, you know, my people. That's another thing again to coincidence. So let me know anything about that the situation there, my people. You see me I say? I don't know when it comes down to Jamaicans, not all, but some Jamaicans, you know, them talk about dopey and certain things when them see certain things happen sometimes, you see. Alright, now my people, Now here I'm going to present a video to you that shows a situation that some people on social media call a robbery of a business place. And in my point of view, the video shows what is considered to be a robbery, even though I'm not sure if I should call the situation an armed robbery or not, viewers and subscribers. But let me see if we can explain some more about the situation. Now, first of all, I did not get any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the video will be recorded. And the video shows when a person approached a worker of a business place, and at some point the person lift up a part of his shirt that the person was wearing and somewhat revealed or showed the worker of the business place something that was on his person. And then the person took money that was inside of a cash register, viewers and subscribers, and then the person leave. Viewers and subscribers, I think that the video shows an intimidating situation as well too. So now I say, totally wrong, totally bad. So I'm gonna make you look at the video. You can let me know what you think. Alright? Please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe. Alright, pay attention to the way how that person behave. Yeah, one of the person you can see, look how the person behave. Watch, you see that? See, so the person lift up a part-time shirt and show something, but I am not able to identify what's that thing, viewers and subscribers. And look, the person took, you know, some things, money, and gone. See? So that's clearly wrong, viewers and subscribers. Clearly wrong. Like really and truly wrong, you know what I mean? And you know, me I try to see what the person they have under the shirt there. Me I try to see. You know, that's why I make sure I bring the video more closer to the screen, viewers and subscribers, in a different way. You know, I mean, do you think you have an idea as to what that thing might be? I'm just trying to figure out what that thing is. Look how weird this is still, you know, I'm not sure what that. Yeah, so I got the understanding that the video had been put out there on social media, not only to just bring awareness, but to let people on social media know what going on. You see me I say, I pay crazy things out all over the world. So you can let me know what you think about that situation. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post that video. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.